guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to play Guess the Sound. This is not sponsored. Just go support this channel, okay? Just go support this channel. Like and subscribe. The next one is gonna be animal sounds. I'm going to animals. Let me go to the first one. That's a dog, of course. Sheep. How does that make any sense?
Don't skip, don't skip. Go back, can you go back? Previous. Go, the red one, go. If it's not a sheep, it's gonna be
A goat.
a goat.
What? Who's that? Was that? What is that?
Where's that sound came from?
Is that a horse?
Yeah.
Yes. There's a cat. Cat. Is that a bear? Oh yeah, it was a bear. Is that a dolphin? A wolf. What this? I don't know the sound of a wolf. That's a dog. That's a bear. That's a horse. I know. Frog.
Good
Frog.
job.
Is that a camel? Why does the camel sound like a seagull?
Go.
Next one. Is that the one?
You guessed it.
Oh yeah. What is that? It sounds disgusting. E.
Good job.
What is that?
That's the sound of the cricket. The last one.
Cricket.
So next one, please. What's the sound?
Rooster. Rooster.
That's not a rooster.
Is that a duck?
No.
A chick?
A black bird.
Seagull?
No, a black bird.
What's a blackbird? What's the name?
A crow.
What?
O-W. Good job. Next. It's a peacock.
Is that a peacock?
I don't know. You can try. Next one. Sounds like a baby. Go. Go, next one.
Again.
What's that sound?
Is it this?
Go. Make the last one.
Is that one?
It's the sound of the owl. You don't know peacock, right? Why don't you try the third one? The third one.
Is it this one?
The third one.
Where's the third one? This one?
Go play it. You played it again? That was funny. Can you play that again? It sounds like a baby. Go choose the first one. It's the sound of the peacock. Yeah, go.
I like this one. The
Go.
third sound.
Can you play it again? There you go. Choose the first one. That's the peacock sound.
Oh my goodness.
No, stop.
That was a funny one.
Yeah, go. There you go. Stop now. Go. You choose the peacock, the first one. Oh, it's wrong. What's the sound of the peacock?
It was at the third.
Oh, you try it. You try everything. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's the sound of the peacock, the funny sound.
Is that a lion? Oh, there. Oh, it's a lion. Oh. It was a lion.
Oh, choose the sound of the mouse. Is that a mouse?
It's a frog.
Yeah, that one I think. Good job.
This? Or this? This
I think that's the sound of the donkey.
donkey? Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Ow.
Ow.
Elephant. And T. Elephant.
Sound of zebra?
No? No? Yes?
I don't know, you guessed it. I don't even know what's the sound.
Oh!
What's the sound?
Cock-a-doodle. Oh, what's it?
You're wrong. It's a
Hen.
the sound.
O-W.
Arrow. Rooster.
Yeah? That's it.
Go play some other sounds.
Is that one?
I don't know. You guess it.
Is it this?
Good
Oh,
job.
it was the third one.
Okay. Sound of the
Pig.
pig.
That's me.
That's funny. Next one. Go to the next sound, please. The third one. Was that a
That's a chicken.
another chicken? Okay, it's a hen. Next one. Oh, okay. Go. What's your choice? I know what you're thinking. Go, choose now.
What sound was that?
Oh, good
Oh.
job.
What's that?
What are the choices?
Lion, rabbit, tiger, bear.
What do you choose?
Lion?
Go choose.
Tiger? I guess that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.